咁啱喺香港跟住有時間咁，我就想參加，但係我又唔想一個人遊，所以我就叫晒我啲隊友同我嘅教練一齊遊，所以我哋就幾個人一齊咁樣。但係我以為男仔女仔一齊遊嘅，但係係隔5分鐘咁樣，但係都 OK，係一個特別即係唔同嘅 experience 咯，係第一次。
有冇覺得？
因為我都唔知，因為覺得係即係咁樣好難得有機會係由灣仔遊去尖沙咀咁樣，跟住今晚又喺香港咁，所以因為我有啲 friends 之前嗰幾年都遊過，跟住佢哋都話係一個好嘅 experience，但係佢哋就唔係競賽組而係 leisure group 嘅。但係我就覺得如果我參加，我會想係競賽組嗰個 group 度參加嘅，咁係咯，今年都係試下咯。好大分別，因為第一乜都睇唔到啦，即係睇唔到個池底啦，同埋我游嘅時候唔係好知游邊個 direction 啦，即係我知道啲人就話跟住啲高樓大廈咁樣望住一個高樓大廈一個點咁樣跟住游啦，但係你游嘅時候太多嘢要顧住咁樣都好難知道究竟而家個 direction 喺邊游到幾多咁樣，但係喺泳池係全部嘢都係好 control 嘅，你個水溫啊，甚至啲水流啊，你幾時轉身啊，即係同埋我每個池有幾多下呢啲，我全部不嬲都知嘅喺泳池入邊，但係去到游海嘅時候就真係好多 unknown， 好多未知嘅因素，亦都我以為自己已經游咗一半，但係好似游嚟游去都未去到終點咁樣咯。Yeah, I think one of my goals was to be top 5. It's just something that I figured, it shouldn't be that hard, but after I've done it, I realized it was actually really hard. When I was on the way to the starting point, we were in the car and we saw the waves and it looked like it was very wavy and the current was very strong. So I was a bit worried, but once you're actually in it swimming, I think it felt a little better, but then I don't know, honestly, while I was swimming it, I felt like the end point was very far away and I felt like I was just drifting further and further away from it, but it was a very good experience. It was definitely tiring. The first half of the race, I felt like I was fine, and then second half, I was like, where's the end point? Like, I just want to touch, just get to the finish line. But overall, it's a really good experience. Yeah. 我個本身比自己高就係如果可以頭名咁都幾好啦，我覺得但係我冇為呢個比賽而特登去即係訓練嘅，咁所以我係完全冇策略嘅。我臨落水之前我都問 Rita， 我跟住你嘅咋，你點樣游？即係你係望住邊個 building，我跟住你咁樣啦。所以係啦，因為真係第一次游冇任何策略，都係純粹係可以自己玩下、開心下、挑戰下自己。我上水嘅時候都覺得好熱，水流我覺得即係你係會 feel 到有少少 drip 咗去左邊咁樣，所以就好似游嚟游去都未到終點咁樣咯。但係我覺得整體嚟講都 OK， 都係唔會太即係，因為話晒呢個都係我第一次游海嘅經驗，所以我唔知不嬲係點樣，但係我覺得 OK 咯，都有迷失嘅，但係因為我冇乜經驗啦，所以我唔知究竟你要有幾多下手要望一望嗰啲咁樣，我完全冇，所以我都係靠感覺同埋係咯，即係好彩之後 Rita 喺前面咧，跟住我就見到佢個紅色帽粉紅色帽，我就跟住佢頂帽咁樣游咯。I'm happy with it. Because I had no strategies or not a lot of preparation before it. So I think more so I was just using this to challenge myself and just to do something different, because I've been swimming for many, many years, and in order to keep things fun and interesting, it's good to do something different and challenge yourself. And I was like, okay, this is my first open water race, so I decided to choose something that's not as long. So I think roughly 1K is, I feel like it's still manageable. It's still within my reach. So I'm happy with it. It's not easy, but yeah, I'm glad I did it.
So do you?
I don't know about another longer race, but yeah, if the timing works out and I'm in Hong Kong, I would probably do it again. But I definitely want to do it with more friends. So this time I had teammates and my coach, but they were in the male race. So if I could find a few more females to do it with me, then I think that'll be even more fun.